Hi, welcome to Houses with Kevin. Today we're going to be touring the Vilano model. This is a model in Brook Forest, which is a new community here in Silverleaf here in St. Augustine, Florida. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video and watch till the very end. I will show you how to get a cashback guarantee from me. So here we are taking a look at the outside of the Vilano. You'll notice downstairs you have the 3 sliding doors that opens up the whole side of your house. And upstairs, this one has the custom balcony. For my money, this is a no-brainer. Silverleaf is located between Jacksonville. It's about halfway between downtown Jacksonville and downtown St. Augustine. The floor plans in Brook Forest start at 1,900 to 30 and go to 3,700 square feet for single family houses, and the villas, which are basically single floor townhomes squished together, they go from 1,400 to 2,200 square feet. Prices for the villas start at about $370,000. Prices for the homes in this area start at $450,000 and run up to $750,000. Obviously, up with upgrades, lot premiums, stuff like that. You can always get add-ons. The HOA in this community is $140 a month. That includes all amenities. It's going to be a little bit higher for the villas because there's no maintenance. They include the roofing, the pressure washing of the siding, the landscaping, and all that good stuff. The Vilano we're touring today is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom with the 2-car garage. All the homes here have 2-car garages, and it does have a loft. This model does start at about $483,000, and there's going to be about 600 homes in this community, about 200 of them being single family, the rest being the villas. There's a great community around here. Features dog park, multi-lane swimming pool for laps. You got pickleball courts. You got resort-style lagoon pool, splash pad, tater tots. Got tot lots, amenities, and this will have its own amenity center in this area. This is going to be a gated community, so you'll have access to all the amenity centers in Silverleaf, but also just the one for this specific location here in Brook Forest. So follow me along and we'll take a tour of this property. So you can see right here is the Brook Forest at Silverleaf by Dreamfinders. And if we click on their street view, you can actually see this is it's an aerial shot. It looks a lot like the drone footage I shot to go with the video, so you know that I was definitely in the right place, which is always good to see. But if we zoom out, we can see that this is the area where we're at, and we actually back out just a little bit here. And let's see, if we turn this back into a map, you'll see it's right here. And we zoom out a little bit more, you'll see Jacksonville's up here. You see St. Augustine here. You see all the ocean here. St. John's River here. All this is St. Johns County. It's a great school district, and it is a very good place to be. So I think you're going to be extremely satisfied with this area. All right, join me now as we step into the Vilano. Welcome in. This is going to be your 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage home with a loft right here in the Brook Forest community. You have your 2nd story right at your front entrance. One great feature about this that everyone seems to love is downstairs you're going to have a bedroom. Nice sized bedroom downstairs. Does not come with the ceiling fans included, but it will come with the LED lighting that is braced and wired for ceiling fans. This one is all done, obviously. The bathroom in this one. Nice guy in the mirror is not included in this house, but you sure can call me and I will help you find the house. So that's always a good thing. Come on into under stair storage, which is nice. And when you come around the corner, open to a nice big living, dining, and kitchen area. You've got your 3-tiered sliding glass door opens up all the way into the back. Nice view. Kitchen countertops are standard, are granite. Quartz is in a lot of the pre-built ones. It is an upgrade, but if they're already built, you'd probably find yourself a good deal on the quartz. Appliances that are standard are the 36-inch drop-in stovetop gas range, the hood, the microwave oven combo, refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. And here you have your pantry. All the drop-down lighting is not included, but the wiring is already there, so you can put it all in if you want. Again, some pre-built models have that all done, and you can certainly get good deals on those if they're done, especially this time of year. Now let's come back around. And we'll take a look up the stairs. I bet you thought I was taking you upstairs, didn't you? Well, we will get to that, but what I want to talk to you right now about is some of the wonderful features you are going to get in this Brook Forest community. Here you'll see the future plot of Brook Forest getting ready to be built right now. There's going to be about 600 homes in this area between the homes and the villas. And there's 3 amenity centers. This particular area, Brook Forest, is going to have its own. I've mentioned it before, I'll mention it again. But this one's going to be a gated community where you will have access to your own private amenity center. Your HOA is going to cover all of those amenities, so you can go to whichever ones you want. You will have convenient location as far as shopping and dining. You're going to have A-rated schools for your family. There are homes that are already built and ready to move into, and this time of year is such a great time to buy, because if they're built and they have all the upgraded options, you're going to find some amazing deals. So give me a call for those options. We can see exactly what you're looking for. And, well, let's go ahead and take a look upstairs now. When you get to the top of the stairs, you notice a nice big loft. Just on the right-hand side. You've got your master bedroom. Nice big master bedroom. Your indent ceiling. About half of these have the walkout balcony, which is beautiful. So definitely something you might want to look for if that's something that you're wanting. You've got the nice bathroom. Nice walk-in shower. Gigantic closet. Toilet separate. And double sinks. And again, if you get this model without the balcony, you will just have a window there, but again, choice is yours. For the price, you can have whatever you want. Come around here, and you will see your other 2 bedrooms. And the shared bathroom. This one's got the shower with the tub and a door, and then you've got your sinks outside, so you can someone can be getting ready while someone else is in the bathroom. And we're on top. Nice thing here is laundry room upstairs, so you never have to be running up and down stairs with your laundry. And again, this is the Vilano here in Brook Forest. There are several models to choose from in this community, so make sure you hit me up if you have any questions about this model or any other models in this area. I'm going to have videos every week. And remember to bring a realtor. You can bring me, but bring anyone. The biggest reason for you is money. And who doesn't want to save money? So the home builders have a fiduciary responsibility to the home builder, where mine is to you. The other thing is, I don't cost you a cent, and I personally guarantee cash back at closing. So definitely bring a realtor. The other thing is, the home builders will want to show you, they are wonderful. I love working with them, but they'll want to show you what they have in their community. I'm going to find out your needs and find out exactly what you want. And I'll show you all the inventory available everywhere so we can find you exactly what you want for your family. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next tour.